In today's video, I'll show you how to add a new phone number in Twilio quickly and easily, whether for personal use, business, or testing Twilio services. Start by logging into your Twilio console. From the dashboard, navigate to Phone Numbers, then click Manage and select Buy a Number. You can also go directly to the phone numbers page to save time. Here you'll choose a number that fits your needs. First, select the country you want the number from. Twilio offers options from the US, UK, India, and more. Next, pick the type of number, local, mobile, or toll-free. Then choose the capabilities you need like SMS, voice, or both. Once your filters are set, click Search to see available numbers. Browse through the results and click Buy next to the number you want. Twilio will ask you to confirm your purchase, which finalizes adding the number to your account. And that's it. Your new Twilio number is now ready for use in your apps or communications.